This is very cold. As you can see, even we have a water tunnel greenhouse. It's frozen. You can see some of the clones they're better than the other, and you see Nuchilsung is not so strong. You can see all of them some this time. However, this is YRK. You can see different morphological characteristics, leaf shape, very strong and sound. But this is yellow rosette bovang type. You can see some of damaged by cold because sometimes it's going down to 2-3. You can see some of the clones are very strong resistance. Yeah. So this is Chunchuang. All of them are very strong. This is a very promising variety. You can see some of them leaves is like virus infection, but this is not virus infection. It's cold stress. You can see some of them are very strong. Yeah, some of them very strong. It's winter greenhouse productions. Especially this one. This is K granula. This is K granula means it looks like granula but selected for our climate condition. Yeah, some of them weak, some of them very strong resistance. These all are important clones. This area is also clones has been here for some time about harvesting, so that's why they are really different. More than 3 months I'm going to harvest and do selections for all of this. You can see the eyes, still eyes.